Good day everybody. Today I will be taking the chapter number 2, numbers. After studying this chapter, one can read and write numbers up to 9999 in an order. They will be able to write 4-digit number in the place value chart. And one can understand to write preceding, succeeding and middle numbers for the given 4-digit numbers. Let us start the class by looking at these figures, 4-digit numbers. But with a drama, Srivani went to a household exhibition cum sales center with her mother. Things which were liked by her are shown in this picture with their cost. And what else do you think you are observing? A nice race price card, which is cooker amounts to rupees 796, and a water filter rupees 687. She was able to read for the cooker and the filter because she studied standard 3. But she was unable to read for the stove. Why? Because the rate card had 4-digit numbers. That is, according to me, we are supposed to learn this rupees 2350. So, it is now my duty to make this Srivani to understand 2350, that is a 4-digit number. Okay, forget about Srivani. Let us see from your side. First one, you see this basket, rupees 425, and this almirah, rupees 3250. And then we have a tiffin carrier, which is rupees 990. Similarly, a teapot here, rupees 1986, and a fantastic dining table, which is rupees 8925. So what are we waiting for? Srivani started to read the cost of these things. She found rupees 796. She read as rupee 796. She saw the rupee 687, which is rupee 687. Rupees 425, rupees 990. As I said before, she was able to read this 3-digit number, but in the right hand side we have rupees 2356, rupees 3250, rupees 1986, rupees 8995. Did I read correctly? No. Then how to read this? That's what we are working on in this chapter. She read the 3-digit numbers quickly. She decided to learn reading 4-digit numbers from her teacher. Can you read such 4-digit numbers? Definitely you will say yes. Look at this. In her previous class, she learned to read, write and expand 3-digit number. Now she has to recall those and try to learn 4-digit numbers. So what is she going to recall now? Look at this. Which is the smallest 3-digit number? The digit number is 1, 0 and 0. That is 100. And then, which is the greatest 3-digit number? Again, starts with 999. That is 999. Okay? The number is written in place value chart as you see in this table. Always the numbers will start from units, and then tens, and then hundreds, and then thousands. But look how this 1 is placed. 1 into 10, which is tens. 10 into 10, which is 100. Now 100 times 10 is going to be 1000. That's what. In the place of thousands, we find 1 here. In 100, 0. In tens, 0. And units, 0, which we say 1000. One place is increased to the left of hundreds place. That place has 10 times the value of hundreds place. It is identified as thousandth place. And the methods to read. I said it is 1000, and even this bear here is also thinking to read 1000. And this is the smallest 4-digit number because in thousandth place we have 1, but all the other 3 places we have zeros. Method of writing these numbers after 1000 is, after 1000 we can add 1, which is 1001. And after that 1001 we can add 1, we can say that as 1002. Then further, look at the chart here. Let us start from the left hand side. This is 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, so on up to 1010, and so forth up to 1090. Now, and down you see 1100. Then we go to the next chart. Can you guess a number here? 1101, and the next is 1102, and this you people are going to proceed, and finally you will receive 1200. And then next chart starts from 3701. When it starts, 3702 is going to proceed, and so forth. It's going to end with 3800. Further, 9901, 9902, 9903. Furthermore, here we see 9997, 9998, 9999 is going to be the biggest one, and the next one you will be seeing in class 5. But for today's class, up to 9999. You should remember we started from 1000 and we come up to 9999, the greatest number of 4 digits. Among the 4-digit numbers, select a few numbers and prepare a chart as shown in above. Observe the numbers in the column and identify the pattern in them. What is the pattern? The left one says, which is the largest 4-digit number? It is found to be 9999. And in the place value chart, write the greatest digit in all 4 places. Digit starts from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it starts from the smallest number 0 to the highest digit 9. So between 0 to 9, 9 is the biggest one. You see, in units place we have 9, in tens place we have 9, hundreds place we have 9, and thousands place also we have 9, and that's why it is going to be the greatest number, which is 9999. Now otherwise I will ask you, what is the smallest number? I said 0, right? Now when I put that 0 in units place, no problem. 0 in 10th place, no problem. 0 in 100th place, no problem. But when I put 0 in the 1000th place, I'm not going to read anything. So the next number is going to be 1. So my smaller number starts from 1 with the 3 zeros, which is 1000 only. Then 4-digit numbers have the smallest number, which is 1000, and the greatest number is 9999. Now let us observe this table and the method of reading the numbers also. The first line reads 2, 3, 5, 6. Am I right? No, it is 2356. 3250. 1986. 8925. This is how you're supposed to read the four-digit number. Now in the same way, try these numbers also. This is, write the following numbers in words they said. It is 5004. Let me check this. I will try to write this with the smallest one. What shall I write? Okay. 5004. I have written 5004. And look at this one. This is 7005. And then I have 9000. And let me check this one. This is 5876. I hope you people understood. Now take this all and try to align them perfectly so that it looks better for anybody who looks at this table. And then, now let me go for this one. 6471. So what should be my number? It is 6471. Did I write correctly? Absolutely. And then I have 3009. Okay. Then I have 9899. Okay. And then I have 2420. 2420. Now let me arrange this all in a proper way. So my 6471, and I have a 3009, and I have 9899, and then I have 2420. So this is your way of writing the numbers into words and words into numbers. Next, so let us try to precede the number and succeed the number, and we will find the middle numbers also. What do you mean by that, sir? Let us see here. Which is the succeeding number of 3876? What did I say? Succeeding number for 3876. So what's the next number? Succeeding means it is next number. So naturally 3876 is there. What is the other number, next number for 6? It should be naturally 6 plus 1 is 7. So you see this here. It is 3877. Similarly, for 5938, the next number is going to be, our succeeding number is going to be 5939. Find for all this 7999, which is going to be 8000, and 8407 is going to be 8408, and 9000 is going to be 9001. And then preceding, that is a number before. Look at this, 5863. A number before 3 is going to be 2. That is 5862. So all these changes are occurring only in units place. And then the 4567 I have, so naturally it's going to be 4566. 7659 we have, which is nothing but 7658. Then I have 8000 here, naturally one number before, it is 7999. Next, what I have here, the middle number of 6896 and 6898. So what's in between 6 and 8? Naturally the 7. You see only in units place. So what happens here? It's going to be 6,897. Now look at this fantastic one. 3,695 and 3,697. The middle number is going to be, look at this, 5, 6, 7. See? It's the middle number. Similarly here 8,406, 8,407, 8,408. And this is how you're supposed to read this middle number. Now succeeding number of 3976 is 3977, that is 3,977. Next, the preceding number of 2,900 is 2,899. The middle number of 3,998 is and 4,000 is 3,999. That is succeeding of 3,998 and preceding of 4,000, which is nothing but 3,999. The succeeding number of 8,476 is 8,477, which is more than 8,476, which is just one number in units place. Then you have these exercises 2.1. So you are supposed to read this and write them in words. And next we have to fix these 307 into the proper places. So one I will try to do it here, which is 6,000. So I have a 6, I have 0, I have one more 0, and I have one more 0. Let me place them in a proper place. So where shall I put this? See, 6 I have here in 1000th place, 0 I have here in 100th place, and then a 0 over here in the 10th place, and naturally the third 0 which is in units place. Try to grab these numbers and fix them into this table and your exercise will get over. And then let me go for this one. It is the same. We are going to write 3,524 for this in words, and then 8,740 for this. And next, look at this. They taught you units, tens, hundreds, thousands in card form. Look at this. How many cards are present in units place? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shall I write 6 here? Okay, let me write 6 here. And then take this 6 and place it in units place. And then in tens, how many I have? I think I have 2. So let me write 2. And then hundreds I have 3. And thousands I have 1. So placing is very important. I found 2 tens here, and I found 3 hundreds here, and I found 1,000 here, which is 1,326. Even when you give this as money, you should have 1,000 rupee note 1 and 300 rupees and 10 in 2 pieces, and then 1 rupee in 6 pieces. Do you know one thing? When I go to pay this water bill or electric bill, when I am supposed to pay this 1,326, I have to place these leaflets of these rupee values into the system tray, and as it grabs in, it gives me the total value, how many leaflets it has taken. This is very good. This lesson will teach you how the BWSSB's water bill is getting counted. If you have a time, go with your parents and check how BWSSB's counter works, billing counter. Don't forget, you will learn 4-digit numbers there also. Then, the succeeding numbers we have, you are supposed to write this, look at them, and then the preceding numbers, and then the middle number, and then we come to the end of this chapter. Thank you very much.